In today's fast-paced world, managing anxiety can feel like a full-time job, and finding effective strategies that resonate with each individual is crucial. Enter the captivating realm of holistic approaches to anxiety, where the ancient allure of Amethyst healing intertwines with modern evidence-based therapy to offer a unique path to mental health support. Imagine harnessing the soothing power of calming stones like Amethyst to complement traditional methods, providing a multifaceted approach that appeals to both crystal enthusiasts and mental health professionals alike. In this exploration, we'll uncover how anxiety relief crystals are being integrated into complementary therapy to enhance the journey towards tranquility and well-being. Whether you're a therapist seeking new tools or an individual looking for alternative ways to manage anxiety, this guide invites you to discover the potential of crystals for anxiety relief within a supportive, holistic framework. Understanding holistic approaches to anxiety. Holistic approaches to anxiety recognize that mental health is influenced by various factors, including physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. These methods aim to address anxiety from multiple angles, creating a comprehensive treatment plan that goes beyond traditional therapy alone. The role of complementary therapies. Complementary therapies, such as crystal healing, are increasingly being explored as additions to evidence-based treatments. These practices don't replace conventional methods, but rather work alongside them to enhance overall well-being. By incorporating elements like calming stones and mindfulness techniques, individuals may find additional tools to manage their anxiety symptoms. Amethyst, in particular, has gained popularity as an anxiety relief crystal. Its purple hue is often associated with tranquility and spiritual growth. While scientific evidence for crystal healing is limited, many people report feeling a sense of calm when using amethyst in their relaxation practices. This perceived benefit may contribute to reduced stress levels and improved mental health support when used in conjunction with professional therapy. The science behind evidence-based therapy. Evidence-based therapy forms the foundation of effective anxiety treatment. These methods have been rigorously tested and proven to help individuals manage their anxiety symptoms. Cognitive behavioral therapy, for instance, is a widely recognized approach that helps people identify and change negative thought patterns and behaviors associated with anxiety. Integrating crystals with proven techniques. While crystals for anxiety relief aren't scientifically proven, they can be thoughtfully incorporated into evidence-based practices. For example, holding a smooth amethyst stone during mindfulness exercises or cognitive behavioral therapy sessions may serve as a tactile focus point, enhancing relaxation and grounding techniques. This integration allows individuals to benefit from both the structured approach of traditional therapy and the comforting presence of calming stones. Mental health professionals who are open to holistic approaches may find that clients who resonate with crystal healing are more engaged in their treatment. By acknowledging and respectfully incorporating these beliefs, therapists can build stronger rapport and potentially improve treatment outcomes. However, it's crucial to maintain the primacy of evidence-based methods while exploring complementary options. Exploring holistic approaches. Holistic approaches to anxiety management are gaining traction as people seek comprehensive solutions that address the mind, body, and spirit. This section delves into the foundations of holistic treatments and how crystals can be integrated with traditional therapy methods. Understanding holistic treatments. Holistic treatments for anxiety focus on addressing the whole person, not just symptoms. These approaches recognize that mental health is interconnected with physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. Holistic healing encompasses various practices including meditation, yoga, nutrition, and energy work. The goal is to create balance and harmony within the individual. By addressing multiple aspects of a person's life, holistic treatments aim to provide more comprehensive and lasting relief from anxiety. This approach often leads to improved overall well-being, not just a reduction in anxiety symptoms. Practitioners of holistic methods believe that anxiety can be a sign of imbalance in one's life, and by restoring equilibrium, symptoms can be alleviated naturally. Integrating crystals and therapy. Crystal therapy is increasingly being integrated with traditional therapeutic approaches to create a more holistic treatment plan for anxiety. This combination aims to harness both ancient wisdom and modern psychological techniques. Therapists may incorporate crystals as tangible objects for grounding exercises or as focal points during meditation. The presence of crystals can create a calming atmosphere in therapy sessions, potentially enhancing the client's receptivity to treatment. Some practitioners use crystals to complement specific therapy modalities. For example, amethyst might be used during cognitive behavioral therapy sessions to promote clarity of thought and emotional balance. It's important to note that while crystals are not scientifically proven to treat anxiety, their integration into therapy can provide comfort and a sense of empowerment for some individuals. The key to successful integration lies in maintaining a balance between evidence-based practices and complementary approaches, ensuring that the use of crystals enhances rather than replaces proven therapeutic techniques. Amethyst in therapy. Amethyst, with its striking purple hue, has long been associated with calming properties. This section explores how amethyst is being incorporated into therapeutic settings and its potential benefits for anxiety relief. Amethyst healing benefits. Amethyst healing has been practiced for centuries, with many believing in its ability to promote tranquility and emotional balance. While scientific evidence is limited, proponents claim several potential benefits. Some individuals report feeling a sense of calm and clarity when in the presence of amethyst. This perceived effect may be due to the crystal's soothing color and smooth texture, which can serve as a focus for mindfulness practices. Amethyst is often used in meditation to enhance spiritual awareness and intuition. In therapy settings, it may be employed as a tool to help clients connect with their inner thoughts and emotions more deeply. Practitioners of crystal healing suggest that amethyst can help dispel negative energy and promote positive thoughts, potentially beneficial for those struggling with anxiety-induced negative thinking patterns. It's important to approach amethyst healing as a complementary practice rather than a replacement for evidence-based treatments, as its effects are largely based on individual experiences and beliefs. Crystals for anxiety are becoming increasingly popular as a complementary approach to managing stress and anxiety symptoms. While not a substitute for professional treatment, many find comfort in their use. Different crystals are believed to have varying properties. Amethyst is known for its calming and stress-relieving qualities. Rose quartz is thought to promote self-love and inner peace. Citrine is often associated with enhancing positivity and confidence. Black tourmaline is considered grounding and protective. The use of these crystals often involves holding them during meditation, placing them on the body during relaxation exercises, or carrying them as a comforting talisman throughout the day. Some therapists incorporate crystal work into their sessions, allowing clients to choose crystals that resonate with them as a means of self-expression and emotional exploration. While the efficacy of crystals for anxiety relief is not scientifically proven, many users report subjective benefits such as feeling more centered, calm, and in control of their anxiety symptoms. Evidence-based therapies form the cornerstone of effective anxiety treatment. This section examines how these proven methods can be enhanced with complementary techniques and explores strategies for comprehensive mental health support. Complementary therapy techniques are increasingly being integrated with evidence-based practices to create a more holistic approach to anxiety treatment. These methods aim to support traditional therapies rather than replace them. Common complementary techniques include mindfulness meditation, yoga, and breathwork art, and music therapy, aromatherapy, and crystal healing. When used alongside evidence-based therapies like cognitive behavioral therapy or exposure therapy, these complementary approaches may enhance overall treatment outcomes. It's crucial for mental health professionals to carefully consider how to integrate these techniques in a way that complements rather than conflicts with established therapeutic protocols. Patients often report increased engagement and satisfaction with their treatment when complementary techniques are thoughtfully incorporated, potentially leading to better adherence to therapy plans. Comprehensive mental health support strategies combine various approaches to address anxiety from multiple angles. These strategies aim to provide a well-rounded treatment plan that caters to individual needs. Key components of effective mental health support include professional therapy, medication management when appropriate, lifestyle modifications such as diet, exercise, and sleep hygiene, social support systems, and stress management techniques. Integrating holistic practices like crystal therapy can be part of a personalized support strategy, provided it aligns with the individual's beliefs and complements their primary treatment plan. Mental health professionals often emphasize the importance of a collaborative approach, working closely with clients to develop strategies that resonate with their unique experiences and preferences. Regular assessment and adjustment of support strategies ensure that the treatment plan remains effective and relevant as the individual progresses in their healing journey. Choosing calming stones can be an important part of incorporating crystal therapy into anxiety management. This section guides readers through popular anxiety relief crystals and how to integrate them into daily life. Anxiety relief crystals have gained popularity among those seeking natural ways to manage stress and anxiety. While scientific evidence is limited, many people find comfort in their use. Some of the most popular crystals for anxiety include amethyst, believed to be calming and stress-relieving; rose quartz, known for its soothing and self-love promoting properties; blue lace agate, which is thought to bring tranquility and improve communication; lepidolite, often used for emotional balance and stress reduction; and finally, clear quartz, which is believed to provide clarity and amplify energy. It's important to note that the effectiveness of these crystals is largely based on personal belief and the placebo effect. However, many users report feeling more relaxed and centered when using them. When choosing a crystal, it's often recommended to go with what intuitively feels right or what you're naturally drawn to. The connection you feel with a particular stone can be just as important as its reputed properties. Incorporating crystals into daily life. Integrating crystals into daily routines can be a simple yet meaningful way to support anxiety management efforts. Here are some practical ways to incorporate crystals. Carry a small crystal in your pocket, or wear it as jewelry for constant contact. Place crystals on your nightstand or under your pillow to promote restful sleep. Use crystals as focal points during meditation or deep breathing exercises. Create a crystal grid in your living space to cultivate a calming atmosphere. It's important to approach crystal use as a complementary practice rather than a replacement for professional mental health care. Crystals can serve as helpful reminders to pause and focus on self-care throughout the day. Some people find it beneficial to set intentions with their crystals, using them as tangible representations of their goals for anxiety management and overall well-being. Remember to cleanse and recharge your crystals regularly, as many believe this helps maintain their energetic properties. Methods include moonlight exposure, smudging with sage, or placing them on a bed of sea salt. Practical tips for integration. Integrating crystals with evidence-based therapy requires a thoughtful and balanced approach. This section offers guidance on creating a harmonious treatment plan that combines traditional and alternative methods effectively. Creating a balanced approach. Developing a balanced approach to anxiety management involves carefully combining evidence-based therapies with complementary practices like crystal healing. The goal is to create a comprehensive treatment plan that addresses all aspects of well-being. Key considerations for a balanced approach include prioritizing evidence-based treatments as the foundation of care, introducing complementary practices gradually and with professional guidance, regularly assessing the effectiveness of both traditional and alternative methods, maintaining open communication with healthcare providers about all practices being used. It's crucial to view crystal therapy and other holistic approaches as supplements to, not replacements for, proven psychological treatments. This perspective ensures that individuals receive the most effective care while still exploring alternative options that resonate with them. Mental health professionals who are open to integrative approaches can help clients navigate the balance between traditional and complementary therapies, ensuring that all elements of the treatment plan work in harmony. Building a personalized plan. Creating a personalized anxiety management plan that incorporates both evidence-based therapy and crystal healing requires careful consideration of individual needs, preferences, and beliefs. Steps to build a personalized plan. Assess current anxiety symptoms and treatment history. Identify personal goals for anxiety management. Consult with mental health professionals about integrating complementary practices. Select crystals and holistic techniques that resonate with you. Develop a structured routine that combines traditional therapy with crystal work. It's important to remain flexible and open to adjusting the plan as needed. What works well at one stage of treatment may need to be modified as progress is made or circumstances change. Regular check-ins with both yourself and your healthcare providers can help ensure that the personalized plan remains effective and aligned with your overall mental health goals. Remember that the most successful plans are those that feel authentic and manageable for the individual. A personalized approach that feels right is more likely to be sustained over time, leading to better, long-term outcomes in anxiety management.